You can proceed, Mr. President, and sign. Colleagues in front that are taking pictures, please be considerate of your colleagues at the back. Thank you. A round of applause, please. Thank you. Your Excellency, if you may please just one more picture, Your Excellency, with you standing with the bill. Okay, thank you very much. May I ask the MSCs to remain standing with the President? And now I'll invite the HODs to join the picture in front. All the heads of department from provinces, if they may please come forward. All the HODs, if they may please join the President. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'd like to ask the President and the Deputy Minister to remain on stage. And I would now like to invite to the podium all the union representatives for a picture with the President and the Deputy Minister. All the